Take your dog out. Vamos. Stock's got the original Alpine. I'm gonna see if the backy. Ah, fuck. What happened, Jaffa? Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while, but back on the grind again. We got me and the Toko. I'm about to hit up Zebra at the moment. We're on our way there now. I'll update you guys when we get there. Sweet. We out. Just got to Zebra. Just about to have a look here. What we came here for. Where's this fucking hatchy at, man? Yo. Fuck, man. Yo. Who's this car, man? You guys integrity. Alright, let's give a look at the water. Some King Springs here. Have a look, dogs. Oh, yo, this is. Get it, dog. Take your dog out. Stock's got the original Alpine. I'm gonna see if the backy. Ah, fuck.
Got that black spot?
Nah, it's basically corny. Fuck. Whoosh. You just exit Whangarei Zebra with all the goodies. Just gonna pull over and wipe our feet, and then we'll go from there. See you guys back in Auckland. We just finally had a feed. We're just gonna go back to Auckland in a couple of hours. Tofu shop. And we'll see you guys when we get there. Peace. We're on Roscommon Road. We're almost to our location.
Fucking dark ass.
Dark ass, yo, can't see shit, yo. Just with the Toko, yo. Almost here. Hey guys, welcome back. We just got back to headquarters. I'm just unloading some stuff because we're about to get started on taking Grinch's gearbox out. It's me and the top over here. I'm just about to work on Grinch. Just gonna get started, get things all prepped up, get it ready for sale. If anybody's interested, just hit me up on my Instagram. Will be linked below down on this video. We'll update you guys as soon. We're just about to drop the gearbox. Got the Toko over here. I'm gonna install the new one straight after this. After half an hour later, we're here. Sticky. Should I just drop it down, Doc? So?
Yeah, drop it down slowly.
Nah, shit.
Yeah, right.
What up, Docs? Got a wire that's over there.
Back up.
It's been a minute. As you can see, we got the gearbox finally up. Didn't take that long. OEM goodness. Just gonna swap over the parts from Grinch's old gearbox into this one, and then we're gonna plant it back in Grinch, and we shall see you there.
Hey guys, welcome back. Now, this is the new one that they've run on already. That's the old one that was in Grinch from HD. I think the plan for Grinch is to get flipped off before HD, and then get rid of it and prep for HD as well. A few of the boys will be coming down with us, so it should be a good turnout. But other than that, yo, sweet. It's been like 2 months since the last upload. It's great to see our schedule's going well. Yeah. Fuck.
No further comment on that.
No further comments. Fuck. But yeah, we'll try to get some videos uploaded. Fucking can't find the time, it seems. After the gearbox is thrown, we'll throw on the gearbox fluid. Just picked this up from Super Cheap. They had their 30% sale today. Shout out to the Asian cat that hooked us up. Yeah, good, very good customer service. So after we finish this, we're gonna test the box, make sure it's running alright, and then after that, we'll go from there. Sweet. So you're just over here now, doing red. Lifting it up, swap out the tires from the slicks to the blades. As you can see, oh, it's just the screen too. Video recording. That's good, G. What about that?
They're all in the city.
Hey, oh, fuck, that's solid. You wanna do the other 2 GoPros? Fuck, I still gotta find the 7. But anyways, we're still doing red now. So we have everything sussed. Swap out the tires from the slicks to the blades, this thing over here. Get that transferred over. And then after that, head to Sensational, because we're fucking hungry. And
I thought it was a tunnel run now.
oh, tunnel and Sensational. Everything's happening after this. So yeah, we'll wait and see what happens. So, see the tires, and there you go.
We just started up red, and I must say it feels pretty good, eh? Feels pretty good, bro.
So finally on the road, red's in front of us, and then I've got the bro over here. Just heading to Sensational. I'm gonna go eat, and then after that head home. So that's the video for today. If you like our shit and you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. If you didn't, make sure you go dislike the video and fuck off. Catch you on the next one.